Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, the weekend is here. We got plenty of watch faces to review, so check your inbox because they're going to be dropping in. Now listen, we've been giving you a lot of analog watch faces. Today we got a nice digital watch face that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. We don't know how long it's going to be free, so remember, download ASAP. Now this was nice. Now we reviewed this developer before. He does a lot of freebies. He got down on this one. I thought it was a really good look. Now it's called KWD Metal. Not bad at all for a digital watch face. And in the AOD mode, it's just simply going to be dimmed down. Still going to get your digital time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, I love the design that's in the background of this watch face. It's not a bad look at all. But look around the bezel and how it lights up. It has a brown theme to it, which really brings out the watch face, adds some character to it. Also, you get a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch too. Kind of a blend of analog / digital to a degree, but not bad. You're gonna get your date, you'll get your year, you will get the day of the week as well, along with that PM stamp for your time. Nice big bold legible digital time as well. And down at the bottom, you're gonna get your battery percentage, everything that you need pretty much in a simple watch face. Not bad, but you can double tap in the center. You can change the color theme of this watch face as well, depending on what you're wearing for the day. This can possibly tie into your attire. The colors are beautiful. I think they stand out. I thought the developer really did an awesome job on this watch face, and I'm going to encourage him to continue. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. You know what I want to know. Now, is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, continue to enjoy the weekend. Hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you already have not. Now, I see you all at the next video. Look for the next one in your inbox.